From
Agay! Tumba!
Riders down, riders down. Check this out. Okay, fight number 26, taking the lead, followed by Chola from General Santos City. Fight number 27, check this out. Followed by fight number 23. Okay, Dudong Dominguez, fight number 22. Check.
Ito sa silver power category.
Sir! Tao, sir! Tao! And now we are witnessing the silver power category. Partner! Asa si RD? RD, wala yung changes ang rota nila? Same? Okay na, nakamiting na. Okay, presenting to you in the starting gate that we have here. And once again, thank you, the Danis. Maya-maya konti, babalik tayo sa Danis, no? Okay, check this out. This is the silver power category. Let's get ready to scramble. Check this out. Okay, pakaabangan natin, no? This is the power silver category. Okay? Daghan na mo kayong tao dire. Marshals, daghan na mo kayong tao dire, Marshals. Daplin ta kamay. Okay, check. Okay, welcome once again for the third Super Mega Enduro Series final leg. This is the final day, November 16, 2021. Are we ready? Let's go! Okay, from
Agay! Tumba!
riders down, riders down. Check this out. Okay, fight number 26, taking the lead, followed by Chola from General Santos City. Fight number 27, check this out. Followed by fight number 23. Okay, Dudong Dominguez, fight number 22. Check this out. This is silver power category. Okay, from Davao City, that's Dudong Dominguez.
Partner!
Hoy!
Tawagan ako ni Datoy Kuala partner sa Riders of Bronze.
Okay,
Tawagan ako partner ha.
okay.
Sa Baiton, Bainting, Palaco, Alcazar, Ilio, Aurelio,
Dinasa.
Iglasa, and Hopkins.
Okay.
Kanin wala ang gitawag. Ang tawag tawagan.
Good!
Sige.
Rider lang ha. Wala lalay.
Kailangan mo doon, partner.
Wala.
Okay, riders
Rider
lang.
lang. Sa Baiton, Bainting, Paardo, Alcazar, Ilio, Aurelio, Iglasa, o Hopkins.
Hopkins. Kim Hopkins. Ayan. Sunod. Aurelio ulit. Asa na si ano? Dinasa. Isa Baiton, Bahinting. Okay. Okay, leader na to, no?
Okay no, breakaway Alpanta from Davao City, followed by
Toto Alpanta from Davao City, breakaway.
followed by Jolan Dayen,
Jordan Dine from General Santos City, RST Racing Team.
then followed by Dudong Dominguez,
Dudong Dominguez from Davao.
Cornel, Davao City.
Okay, Kunel, Davao City. Kunel siya bro, Davao City kapon.
Sunod si Chiking Tame,
Ching Carly. The Hawks of General Santos City, RST Racing Team.
Okay, sunod no. Once again, sa Baiton, Bainting, Ardo, Alcazar, Ilio. Aristra, katubangan sa state.
Torres!
Okay. Kenneth Sabaiton, Bahinting, tapos DJ Pahardo, Aurelio Dinlasa, Hopkins. Okay, video ba? Okay, Hopkins.
Good! Thank you for watching.